Well, we're nearly there on the final day. This field, our garden, was filled with rice not so long ago. People have got stuck in. You can see all the sacks being filled. I can't tell you the respect I've got for people up here. As strong as oxes. Doesn't matter what age they get stuck in. Being smaller people helps. I've had my go, and I tell you, my back is in agony. It is proper tough going. These wonderful people. There was 17 rice of rice, and I'm not sure how many sacks it'll end up as. Probably over 100, 130, something like that. I'm not quite sure. Incredibly hard. Well, I tell you what, it's been an amazing experience. The camaraderie, the way everybody just comes along. Family, friends. It seems we've got some medicine. Here's Dawi medicine.
Yeah, pharmacy.
Pharmacy. Pharmacy local.
No, droop. Droop.
I'm not sure if that'll help me back out, but at least I'll be happier. An amazing carry on. Nearly a week-long operation with having to wait for machinery and people to come along and assist. I'm just watching here in case the dogs start fighting. Yeah, an amazing experience, something I'll never forget. Remember it the next time you order some food in a Chinese or Thai restaurant or Indian restaurant. This is where it all comes from. We've stopped for a meal and drinks break. I'm getting close now. Just that one on the far side and a little one in the top corner. You see Superman from the other day carrying the bags up and down there. Absolutely incredible. I'm all on to shift them a foot or so. Just amazing. Everyone getting into it. Somebody known, somebody came. So yeah, I think we'll be finished soon. Maybe an hour. And then that'll be it for the year. What happens to the rice, I don't know. And really it's not my business. But with enough to keep us going, all the family going, and many others I suspect. Till this time next year. I'm not sure I'd advise people to get involved with the heavy lifting and everything, but it's well worth coming up and looking at for a couple of days. Puts things into perspective when moaning about silly things like oh, the train isn't on time, or restaurants run out of food, or football fixtures are changed. Nonsense really. These resilient people, unbelievable. And this fella here drinking the Gatorade, strongest man I think I've ever met. The final few grains.
สองอันนี้
ใช้ลูกน้องคู่ด้วย
ใช้ละเด้หลุนพ่อประตูอะไรนะ
มันถูกกันต้นเปียก นี่ว่าโมมี่นี่กระสอบขาวเมื่อกี้ผมไปขาย40 ช็อตไป2 ตัน 2 ตันกล้วย
เราเขียวอีก
เอา